The superbike guarantees a dynamic riding experience and is always on the hunt for the last millisecond. Every detail is geared towards uncompromising performance. You can find out everything about the extensive technical equipment on this page. You can also see the optional equipment for the S1000RR. The front and side trim panels have been redesigned for enhanced aerodynamics. You can now identify them based on the characteristic shark gills. Dynamic front view and tall windscreen, less helmet vibrations. The front with the high windscreen guarantees outstanding aerodynamics around the head. The isolation of the fork bridge brings about further aerodynamic advantages. You can achieve new personal bests with the more aerodynamic front and side trim panels. The new winglets generate up to 50% more downforce on the road. A drive for performance. Engine concept details and transfers from motorsport. The cylinder head geometry is identical to that in the MRR. 154 kilowatts, 210 horsepower, allows for top performance, max torque. 113 newton meters at 11,000 revolutions per minute. Frame bridge type frame, cast aluminium, co-supporting engine. Accuracy to the millimeter for the highest level of precision. The M chassis kit with raised rear end and adjustable swing arm pivot is standard. Frame recesses ensure lateral flexibility. Front suspension upside down telescopic fork, diameter 45 mm, spring preload, rebound and compression stages adjustable. Rear suspension. Aluminium swing arm, full floater pro, compression and rebound damping adjustable, adjustable spring preload. Riding modes Pro, plus 3 modes. Race Pro 1 to 3, pit lane limiter, launch control, DTC plus or minus shift, wheelie control, slide control, HSC Pro, DBC, dynamic brake control, engine brake. M quick action throttle DTC, dynamic traction control. HSC Pro, hill start control, shift assistant Pro. 6.5-inch TFT display. M chassis kit. M GPS lap trigger, activation code. M lightweight battery. High windscreen brake, front. Twin disc brake, diameter 320 mm, 4.5 mm, 4-piston fixed caliper, 5 mm. M wheels. Brake. Rear single disc brake, diameter 220 mm, 1-piston floating caliper. Put all of our racetrack experience into the high-performance BMW shift cam 4-cylinder engine of the RR. With 210 horsepower, 154 kilowatts. The M brake ducts in the new front mudguard cool the brake calipers when racing, thereby ensuring a higher level of performance and a more consistent resistance point. They have been adopted from the MRR, just like the chain ring and the performance-oriented cylinder heads. The Shift Assistant Pro is now included as standard, ensuring high precision when switching gears.